guys, so we are giving this girl a makeover, so let's do this. Happy. Here's 1 of 5. She will change her password after this, so don't try to log into her account or anything. Happy tears 1 of 6. Hopefully this works, because I haven't tried it out yet, so it might even work. Oh, what the hell just happened? I don't know. Guys, it's working. Okay, let's go, because I didn't want to mess it up or anything. So we might get Scopy. I don't know yet. So this is her account. I'm going for bad styles 73 Kivia makeover. Okay, so first we're going to, she has quite a lot of coins, 964, so that is pretty cool. Gonna get rid of everything on her. Hey, happy to tell me when you're done. Okay, okay. Here we go. So go with everything. Gonna put this. Gonna change your eyes as well. Not saying your eyes are bad, girl. Your eyes are lit. Okay, she has some cool hair. Gonna give. I can't like the hair she's got on now. So we're gonna keep that. Kind of looks cute. I think I'm gonna have the big gown, actually. Most of her hairs are up. Maybe this, because that looks kind of cute. So she hasn't got. Okay, she does. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say she has no shoes, but yeah, she has shoes. We're gonna. She better not look me out, because it's gonna be so annoying if she looks me out. But blonde hair, please. Blonde hair, please, in a good way. I'm gonna go. I'm bad. Smiles. I'm gonna quickly message her. One thing. Did I'm confused. I think it's this. Is this okay? Someone said they want blonde hair in giveaway. What? I mean, I don't get what you mean. So she went offline, she's probably gonna log in, but it's fine. If she logs in, it's just gonna be quite annoying. Because, like, oh my god, okay. Girl, you look fine, but we can have to fix up your eyes for a minute. I'm not trying to be mean, but those eyes really get to me sometimes. And they look creepy. She has, like, she did have purple eyes, but we're gonna make her blue. They look really pretty. Oh my god, we'll right onto her. Okay. It doesn't look that bad, I guess. I think she needs a new nose, maybe. I don't want to waste too much coins. We're gonna go into her animations. Crying baby. What the hell? That guy's a little hacker. Oh, I love that one. I'm so cute. She's this one. I think I'm gonna send her some gifts on my account because I don't think that's probably why this didn't look right. Just leave it. I'll sort it out later. Okay. It's happy. Oh god, I said it wrong. Oh my god, I feel so. So this is her face right now. It doesn't look terrible, but I think I might want to change the outfit to more of like a. Don't. Oh my god! Oh. Oh, guys. Oh my god, I spent. She had 900, now she has 66. God, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, she has more eyes, okay. I think the eyes she had on will look better. Oh my god! This is not going well right now. Girl, you have loads of eyes. Girl, you're so lucky to have recording vids. Okay, that's just fair. I mean, she has some good eyes, I guess. I think these ones are personally the best. I don't know. She's got an eyeshadow. Come on, the lag is so annoying right now. Maybe I can change her nose back. Oh wait, I can't do that. Okay, I think we're gonna go with that. Highlighter looks good. I'm not sure it's okay if I'm not gonna get my VIP. If I make you happy, I'll have to log off and do it on my phone. But I can't make a VIP, unfortunately. One, because it's money, and I won't be able to record anymore because, like, I think that looks like a pretty cute face, if you know what I mean. But I'm gonna change your outfit. I'm not sure what outfit she's looking for. I'm going to say, what outfit do you want? Like, tomboy, girly. Be quick, though, because I get a bit account sick, if you know what I mean. Okay, outfit is the last. Girly. Okay, she wants a girly, so I'm gonna maybe take a look at this. So trainers, I'm gonna have a maybe. Pastel is my theme. Okay. I actually like the hair she had on, so we're gonna put that on. She said pastel is her theme, so we're gonna. Oh my goodness, so and like grey and white, sometimes a bit of black too. Okay, and like grey and white. I mean that's pink. Pastel's like. I understand why her lips is that colour now, cause like it's like. Yeah. Wait. What? She's just saying wait to me. I don't know what she's talking about. I forgot what top she had on before. No, guys. guys, I forgot what top she had on. What top did you have on, girl? I mean, I think this is personally cute, but I think this is also really cute. I think we're just cute. I also had a dress on. Never mind, okay. Okay. I mean, that does not look good. Like, I'm sorry if you like that. But, gold guys, this is actually a disaster. I'm gonna put, she likes white. And like grey and white. So maybe for her top, we could have a white top. So this is a cute top. She said she likes black and grey. So maybe I should have it behind number 4 because that is white. And I wanted to tumble, but I wanted it to go. And I also kind of like her shoes she had on. She had like these shoes on. I forgot. I think she had these on. I think. Oh no, they're terrible. I mean, it's great, but it doesn't match the outfit. I'm gonna put okay, you can log in now. Remember to finish. So her pass was happy hairs or tears or whatever. And basically, because I'm recording, I don't want you guys to know what the password is. Put it on okay, we can be friends. I don't know why I'm in phone messages. I'm not being weird or creepy or anything. Shout out to this girl for letting me use her account for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just gonna collect this. It's really annoying when people don't collect activities. Okay, it is frozen. Okay, she ain't looking for. You can look now. You didn't know that. I'm just gonna send my. I went offline. It's fine. Oh, what the hell? Hey, I'm about to give away you're doing. Go, what the? This isn't. This, what the hell is going on? I'm gonna log out and she can sort her account out. So, comment down below if you want me to do a makeover on your guys' account. And I'm gonna be giving away my last video. Slime something you entered. I'll be putting your name on a piece of paper. And yeah, if you like this video, again, comment down below if you want me to do a makeup on yours and if you want to enter the giveaway. Because who doesn't like giveaways? Like, so yeah. Oh, what the hell, guys? I think someone's hacked me. Guys, this is not even a joke. Guys. Oh, that's why. I spelled my name wrong. It's not 973, it's 873. Guys. It's not working. I think I'm getting hacked.